up, boys and girls, and welcome to Going Guitar. We have Lauren JAUREGUI, and this is trust issues. So issues with trust, that is what we're gonna learn today. We're gonna start with capo here on the 4th fret. We have 4 different chords that goes in the same order through the entire song, and very easy to handle. So let's take a look at the chords. We have the C major 7, so that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, open B, and open E. Then the A minor 7, that is open A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Then the F major 7, many 7s here, so that is 3rd on D, 2nd on G, 1st B, and open E. And then we have the G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, open B, and 3rd E. Alright, so we will have the chords in that order. We just learned them: C major, A minor, F major, and G. And the strumming pattern, if you can call that a strumming pattern, is very easy. It's down, clap. Okay, so that's it. So down, clap. You're gonna play 2 rounds per chord. That is 1 chord progression. You can go like this through the entire song, or you can play a little different when it comes to the G. You play 1 round on G with this clap, down clap, and then you have this bass, and then you start all over again with C. And this bass goes here on the E string, so you're gonna play 3rd on E, then open A, then 3rd A, and open D. And that bass replaces 1 strumming round. So you're gonna play G1, and then this bass, and then the C major 7. So if I take you through from this G and into a new round on the C major, it sounds like this with this bass going. Alright guys, so that's what's happening through the entire song. That's Lauren's trust issues. So give it a try, guys, and play tuned.